So let's connect the line out of the receiver into the mic jack of the DSLR. Now we need to connect the transmitter with the lavalier mic. So let's connect the jack of the lavalier mic into the mic jack instead of the line in. This is how we have to fix the receiver over the DSLR. We need to make sure that the transmitter and the receiver are flashing at the same time. If they are flashing at the same time, they are connected. Now, the next step is to adjust the sound recording settings for the DSLR. Go to the menu. We will be seeing image quality, exposure comp, AF method, and on the fifth we have movie recording size, sounds recording, and the video snapshot. So we have to go to the sound settings. So if I increase the volume, and it will actually go out of the range of the 12. So we have to make sure whenever I talk loud, it should not cross the 12 limit. See this yellow signal? This means my voice is louder and it is crossing the threshold. So to adjust this, if you think that I'm talking very loud, we have to go here. When you turn it totally high, you can see this is red and this is yellow. So we don't want it to be red. We have to make sure that we don't really count yellow. It does not become red. It means I'm not so much loud, but it is actually crossing the threshold of 12. So let's adjust this to up till here. Not very low, but it is medium. So let's turn back to the 0. Now if I'm talking, now you can see my voice level is pretty good. And now the next thing you want to do is wind filter and attenuator. We have to make sure that wind filter is disabled. Make sure the attenuator is enabled. I would suggest to turn on the attenuator because it can catch the noise signals that are far from the range. But if you want to cancel the noise, I would suggest to turn off the attenuator. Attenuator can catch the sound signals 1000 times stronger than the non-attenuator signals. And for the wind filters, I would suggest to turn off because right now I'm not in a windy area. But I would suggest to turn it on if you are in a windy area.